Hello guys, today we're gonna draw an Among Us and we're gonna draw an Huggy Wuggy. I'm gonna just make it with the black something like that. Okay, let's draw first the Among Us. First, gotta do like this. Like, see? Just make like this. Second step, you do like this. Then make like this up. Then like this. See? And then just do another leg. And then just like this. And then you have to just do a perfect circle after you finish like this. And then do like this. And just this, go like this, and like this. And so we said that we make the Among Us. We're gonna do another Among Us just behind that. Just behind the other Among Us. Like the Among Us is just doing like a task, like something. Then just like this, and just like making just like a dot and another dot in the middle, like he's just like doing like a crewmate making a task. And after finish this, all of this, do another Among Us just like the first step. On like this, and then we said make a leg and another leg, put down, make a perfect circle, then make backpack and then make a hand, then a knife. And then after you do this, just make like this. Of course, actually the drawing like takes a long time to do. Like this is a black Among Us, this is a baby black Among Us. Just like we did before when I made it in purple. But then he's in the shadow. Okay, let's turn the serious, my boy. And just do another Huggy Wuggy. Make it like this. Just like a bendy horn. Make like this. Like this, and then the smile. After you finish that, make a circle, then make like this, and this, and color the circle that we draw. After you do this, make a leg, then a shoe. Still make the hands. This is just for the, and then wait, didn't notice that this is the hand. Okay, just kidding, we just made a pendy. After you do this, we can make another draw. What do you think in the comments? Just make it. just to make it. Oh, maybe I could draw another Among Us, like a perfect Among Us, just like a big Among Us. Make a line, make a perfect circle, make a backpack, and actually this is the blackest marker in the entire world. Like, look, you can actually see yourself, but when you very color it, you can almost see it. Okay, after this, we can make another hand, but just like this, it could turn to this, then make like this, and then he's just drinking like in a cafe. He's just drinking like a chill dude. Just is gonna say, after this, it's gonna say, you say, then we're done. See that we said, we made the drawing Among Us, and he killed, and he's making a task. Then we made a bendy in another page. Then we made another Among Us that is like eating in a cafe, like drinking in a cafe, and then he yells the thing, and then yeah. And actually, it's not done yet. Actually, maybe now we can do an airplane. You don't know what's coming, but it's gonna come best in bestest testes. Make an airplane. This, like this, another like this. Do the same thing that you saw. Then make just another one, and then it flies. See how it flies? It flies like an eagle. See you later. Bye.